हेलो एवरीवन, न्यू चैप्टर शुरू कर रहे हैं। एंडोक्राइनोलॉजी पेपर 3। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, सर्टली सेल हैव रिसेप्टर फॉर ए इनहिबिन, बी एल एच, सी एफ एस एच एंड डी मेलेटोनिन। राइट ऑप्शन इज सी एफ एस एच. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द लेवल ऑफ 17 ketosteroids in urine is increased in A. adrenal tumor only, B. adrenal testicular tumor, C. liver secondaries, D. bronchogenic carcinoma. The right option is B. adrenal testicular tumor. Next question is excretion of which of the following is increased in chromocytoma? A. plasma VMA, B. serum bradykinin, C. urinary VMA and D. all of the above. Right option is C. urinary VMA. Next question is in Hashimoto disease, serum antibodies are mainly against A. thyroglobulin, B. thyroid follicle, C. thyroxine and D. iodine. Right option is A. thyroglobulin. Next question is Cushing syndrome is most commonly seen in A. bronchogenic carcinoma, B. renal cell carcinoma, C. pancreatic carcinoma and D. lymphoma. Right option is A. bronchogenic carcinoma. Next question is Krupp-Heyling change occur in A. voluntary muscle, B. diabetic mellitus, C. basophil of pituitary gland in Cushing disease, D. yellow fever hepatitis. Right option is C. basophil of pituitary gland in Cushing disease. Next question is which substance is essential for vitamin D metabolism? Is A. calcitonin, B. thyroxine, C. growth hormone and D. parathormone. Right option is D. parathormone. Next question is medullary CA of thyroid is associated with increase in A. calcitonin, B. thyroglobulin, C. T3 and D. T4. Right option is A. calcitonin. Next question is paraganglioma may show production of A. ACTH, B. catecholamine, C. growth hormone and D. ADH. Right option is B. catecholamines. Next question is serum calcium level is increased in all except A. multiple myeloma, B. secondary carcinomatosis, B. myxedema and D. primary hyperparathyroidism. Right option is C. myxedema. Next question is calcitonin is marker of A. myxedema, B. Paget's disease, C. pheochromocytoma and D. medullary CA of thyroid. Right option is D. medullary CA of thyroid. Next question is prostacyclin is mainly produced by A. platelet, B. vascular endothelium, C. prostate and D. testis. Right option is B. vascular endothelium. Next question is ectopic ACTH production is seen in A. small cell carcinoma of lung, B. anaplastic carcinoma of lung, C. squamous cell carcinoma of lung and D. adenocarcinoma of lung. Right option is A. small cell carcinoma of lung. Next question is maximum hyperprolactinemia is seen in A. bromocriptine therapy, B. chloropromazine, B. reserpine therapy and D. pituitary adenoma. Right option is D. pituitary adenoma. Next question is the endocrine disorder associated with generalized lymphadenopathy is A. hyperthyroidism, B. Addison's disease, C. Cushing syndrome and D. carcinoid syndrome. Right option is A. hyperthyroidism. Next question is malignancy most commonly associated with SIADH. Options are A. oat cell carcinoma, B. thioma, B. C. lymphoma and D. renal cell carcinoma. Right option is A. oat cell carcinoma. Next question is features of Addison's disease are A. skin pigmentation, B. hyponatremia, C. hyperkalemia and D. all. Right option is D. all. Next question is the early feature of hypothyroidism is A. low TH, B. low T4, C. rise in TSH and D. delayed dependent reflex. Right option is C, rising TSH. Next question is cardiac manifestation of Graves' disease would include etiology: A, wide pulse pressure, B, arterial fibrillation, C, pleuropericardial scratch, and D, aortic insufficiency. Right option is D, aortic insufficiency. Next question is hang up angle relax seen in A, hypothyroidism, B, thyrotoxicosis, C, Sippel syndrome, and D, Werner's syndrome. Right option is A, hypothyroidism. Next question is Conn's syndrome is characterized by all except A, polyuria, B, polydyspia, C, weakness, and D, anasarca. Right option is D, anasarca. Next question is activation of renin stimulates A, water excretion, B, potassium retention, C, sodium retention, and D, magnesium excretion. Right option is C, sodium retention. Next question is which of the following is 17 ketosteroid? A, progesterone, B, pregnenolone, C, 17 hydroxypregnenolone, D, all of them. Right option is D, all of them. Phenochromocystoma is associated with A, vitiligo, B, calf O leth spot, and C, ash leaf amylotic macules, and D, acanthosis. Right option is B, calf O leth spot. Right next question is SIADH is seen in all except A, oat cell carcinoma, B, acute intermittent porphyria, C, vincristine therapy, and D, primary pulmonary emphysema. Right option is D, primary pulmonary emphysema. Next question is characteristic feature of primary aldosteronism is A, decreased serum potassium, B, decreased serum sodium, C, increased plasma renin, and D, increased serum creatinine. Right option is A, serum potassium. Next question is thyrotoxicosis can be differentiated from anxiety neurosis clinically by A, tachycardia, B, sleeping pulse rate, B, C, moist hand, and D, ankles jerk. Right option is C, moist hand. Next question is factor which promote hair growth in female is endostenoid stenoidone, and B, dihydroepiandrosterone, C, testosterone, and D, estradiol. Right option is C, testosterone. Next question is androgen independent hair growth is seen in with all except A, eyelashes, B, eyebrows, C, lingo hair, and D, pubic hair in female. Right option is D, pubic hair in female. Next question is dawn phenomena refer to A, early morning hyperglycemia, B, early morning hypoglycemia, C, hypoglycemia followed by hyperglycemia, and D, high insulin level. Right option is A, early morning hyperglycemia. The function of parathormone is A, increase bone resorption by mobilizing calcium and phosphorus, B, increase renal tubular reabsorption phosphate, C, low serum calcium, and D, all of them. Right option is A, increase bone reabsorption by mobilizing calcium and phosphorus. Next question is IDDM is found to be associated with all except A, SLE, B, muscular dystrophy, C, Addison's disease, and D, Hashimoto's thyroiditis. Right option is B, muscular dystrophy. Next question is the formation of 25 hydroxy cholecalciferol take place in the A, kidney, B, intestine, C, liver, and D, pancreas. Right option is C, liver. Next question is hypercalcemia is seen in A, multiple myeloma, B, sarcoidosis, C, milk alkali syndrome, and D, all of them. Right option is D, all of them. Next question is, in tumor lysis syndrome, all are seen except A, hyperuricemia, and B, hyperphosphatemia, C, hyperkalemia, and D, hypercalcemia. Right option is D, hypercalcemia. Next question is, calcitonin is secreted from A, acinar cell of thyroid, B, chief cell of parathyroid, C cell of thyroid, and D, oxical cells of parathyroid. Right option is C cell of thyroid. Next question is, hemochromatosis affect following organ: A, heart, B, pancreas, C, skin, and D, all of above. Right option is D, all of them. Next question is, hourglass vertebra and triradiate pelvis are seen radiologically in A, hyperparathyroidism, B, thyrotoxicosis, C, myxedema, and D, cretinism. Right option is A, hyperparathyroidism. Next question is, sudden loss of vision in patient with diabetic retinopathy is due to A, cataract, B, glaucoma, C, vitreous defect, and D, papilledema. Right option is C, vitreous defect. Next question is, which one of the following is not featured in Wilson's disease? A, hypotonia, B, Passer-Fisher ring, C, low plasma copper, D, degeneration of basal ganglia. Right option is A, hypotonia. Next question is, raised parathormone is seen in A, osteogenesis imperfecta, B, pseudo hypoparathyroidism, C, renal osteodystrophy, and D, hypercalcemia. Right option is B, pseudo hypoparathyroidism. Next question is, all are true about hyperparathyroidism except A, commonly occur after thyroidectomy, B, may cause hypercalcemia, C, solitary adenoma is the most common cause, and D, none of them. Right option is A, commonly occur after thyroidectomy. Next question is, most common cause of parathyroidism: A, iatrogenic, B, medullary carcinoma thyroid, B, parathyroid adenoma, and D, parathyroid hyperplasia. Right option is C, parathyroid adenoma. Next question is, the most common cause of Cushing syndrome is A, pituitary adenoma, B, adrenal adenoma, C, ectopic ACTH, and D, iatrogenic steroid. Right option is D, iatrogenic steroid. Next question is, common cause of primary parathyroidism is A, multiple parathyroid adenoma, B, solitary parathyroid adenoma, C, adrenal hyperplasia, D, ectopic PTH production. Right option is B, solitary parathyroid adenoma. Next question is, tufting of terminal phalanges is seen in A, hyperparathyroidism, B, hyperparathyroidism, C, hyperthyroidism, and D, hypothyroidism. Right option is B, hyperparathyroidism. Next question is, weight gain occur in all except A, pheochromocytoma, B, Cushing syndrome, C, hypothyroidism, D, insulin secreting tumor. Right option is A, pheochromocytoma. Next question is, in hyperparathyroidism, all except A, osteopetrosis, B, osteoporosis, C, cysts, and D, brown tumor. Right option is A, osteopetrosis. Next question is, hypercalcemia is seen in all except A, parathyroid, B, adenoma, C, acute pancreatitis, and C, breast cancer, and D, Hodgkin's lymphoma. Right option is B, acute pancreatitis. Next question is, common finding of in osteomalcia is A, low serum phosphate, B, normal level of 1.25 dihydroxy vitamin D3, C, low serum calcium, and D, increase hydroxyproline in urine. Right option is A, low serum phosphate. Thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe, please.